Let's have a little look at another junior cycle style exam question. So this question says, explain 3 achievements, accomplishments of an ancient or medieval civilization that you have studied. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to identify the ancient or medieval civilization that you have studied. This is important because different schools, different students might have studied different ancient or medieval civilizations. So you might have looked at ancient Rome, maybe you looked at ancient Greece, ancient Egypt, ancient China, okay? So first thing you have to do is identify the civilization that you have looked at. For medieval civilization, maybe you looked at the Normans, okay? So you identify the civilization. Then you have to talk about 3 achievements of that civilization. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to clearly state what the achievement is, okay? So our achievement here is concrete. We have stated it, all right? Then it says, the Romans mixed lime with volcanic ash and rocks to create an early form of concrete for building. Because of this, some of their biggest buildings, such as the Colosseum, are still standing today. Okay, let's break this down a little bit. So like we've said, we have stated our achievement, okay? And then we said the Romans mixed lime with volcanic ash and rocks to create an early form of concrete. We have explained how they made concrete. And then we have given a specific named example of where concrete was used, okay? For this style of question, it's a total of 9 marks total, 3 marks for each achievement, okay? To ensure that you are getting kind of your 3 out of 3 marks, all right? Again, you need to make sure you have your fact, your explanation, your definition, your example, your statistic, or your keyword, okay? Right, if we look at another one. So our next achievement is architecture. And again, we've clearly stated the achievement. And the answer says, Roman style or classical architecture features pillars, domes, and rounded arches. So we've given examples of Roman architecture. We've said it was an inspiration for later architecture, such as that used during the Renaissance. We've included a key word and we've linked it to a later topic. Then we said many more modern buildings, such as the White House, so another example, also contain classical features. So again, to achieve your 3 out of 3 marks for something like this, it is jam-packed full of examples, keywords, explanations. Now our last achievement, we've said language. So again, we've clearly stated our achievement at the start. Then it says the Romans spread their language, which was Latin, so that's our keyword, wherever they went. Many modern European languages like French, Spanish, and Italian are based on Latin. So again, we've explained it and we've given 3 specific examples.